Today's read aloud is a Caldecott Honor book, and it's a story that describes the inner workings of a large cargo train. Freight Train, written and illustrated by Donald Crews. A train runs across this track. Red caboose at the back. Orange tank car next. Yellow hopper car. Green cattle car. Blue gondola car. Purple box car. A black tender and a black steam engine. Freight train. Moving. Going through tunnels. Going by cities. Crossing trestles. Moving in darkness. Moving in daylight. Going. Gone.